Yes, people. You see what I go on at the media with Spice. It look like them cancel our school tour thing. You understand? Yeah, man. It no look good at all, at all. But Spice been going on with a lot of things. You don't know in the media and thing, so that maybe can be a problem too. And if you watch a video,
tour, I started to get emails of school cancelling and saying they won't be able to do it. So when I start to read into the emails, they're saying that they got calls from TBC, I think it is. TBC is a church or program that is saying that they don't think I am fitting enough to go into the schools. I even have a recording that Apostle Jeffrey, I think Shuttleland or something, was on the program on TBC radio discussing it. Shuttleworth, yes. Oh, you know I am, my friend. Yes. It was so strange to me. But I think his problem is because I took keen note and listened to him. He kept speaking on Spice and my music videos, and I was excited for them and excited for the other schools and what was to come, because I have my Grace Hamilton Foundation as well. So I was so happy to go into the school. But unfortunately, when I was on the road doing the ONO school tour, I started to get emails of school. I'm going to the schools to show my music video or doing whatever you are speaking about that is happening with Spice, the artist, and these music video. I am going as a grown woman, successful woman, Grace Hamilton, to speak and share and to encourage the kids, to say no to the things that is happening. So I was very confused. I'm going to the
but I just see the video there a while ago. She has said she get email by church and every little thing, but what I understand, as Spice dropped the little song, the Hell No song what she have. If you look on that clip in there, you will see what I talk about. But this no look good as an entertainer. This message with, if you look on the video, you see like schoolgirl and thing and wind up and all of them little thing there, and you understand? That no look good. You understand? That no look good. And Spice over the past year or so with the one bag of drama thing, and you understand? So all of that now, she kinda make things bad for herself. You understand? Yeah, she kinda make things bad for herself. And worse, she just do a video, like a music video, with the school kids and thing. You understand? And then after now, a show, a touring, and she
I can't afford to take taxi. So I wake up early and walk, go home and wash my uniform.
See me crying and they don't know why, so let me address my tears first. We grew up together in Windsor Road, and I used to, everybody know I'm a past student at St. Catherine High School, but I used to live in Windsor Road, so Kemar and I, we grew up together. And my house, I left St. Catherine High one day and I went home and my house was burned to the ground. So when I went home, I lost my house to fire and I became homeless. And I have a slogan that is from homeless to greatness. So when I walk in, I wasn't expecting to see him. And I also walked in and I had so many memories of coming in.
I think I St. Catherine, she go, if you look on that video, yeah, this is where she go, and should I give her a couple words and every little thing, but things don't really look good. But it kind of sad say she had tried to do a thing and it get cancelled by some of the school them and thing. I know the church, some of the church and them thing and allow that, but she kinda have a lot of enemies in the industry too. And remember say Spice been doing a lot of things where kids no fear do when she, some of the song them and all of them look a thing there. You see me? So I guess some of the industry of the people who are black the thing kinda look on it away and I say, yo, she wouldn't be the right person for counsel the youths in the school and every little thing, you see me? Yeah, so it look away upon her still, but she kinda have to reap what she sow still. You see me? Cause the past year or so, when she dropped the little T song and bring up back something with her baby father and one her dance and one bag of thing, the bag of saga and things. So couple people in the industry or so, maybe I'll see them think they kinda lose her for, you understand? Yeah, certain little things and the thing with Romish and you see me? And the thing them where she talk, cause she always on the media cuss and one bag of thing and you see me? I remember say she forward and turn up the thing with some song and the way she go on stage and all of them little thing there, you see me? But it's so sudden that's when she do that song, yeah, we have to involve school. She start want to do the tour and everything. But the message in the video, it not look good for way she a do. Cause if she did come on in the video and say, yo, go school and carry yourself together, but the message in the song and school, think them a done, that not really look right, you see me? So all she have to do, I just make the things structure and you see what I'm trying to say, cause the industry watch everything what you do and what you say. You see me? So all of that it kinda look away still. You see me? But she a try do her thing cause you don't know the music thing kinda fade out little for her, so she have to try and do little thing and things same. Although she say, she believe it and the most high and thing. You see me? The church still ban her same way I say, yo, you're not the right person but you don't know. I can want her enemy in one of them system and the email where she get. You see me? Or somebody in the system when I like her say, yo, this can't go on and thing. You see me? So it no look good and she should have just address the thing more better. You see me? Because I see a lot of on her flyer, a lot of schools where she have to go on. You see me? I guess she said them cancel it. I don't know if all of them did agree so she could have come or she just put up something where she got turn up. But I guess she have to confirm before she go there. But the last minute cancel, why? It look away still, but Spice, you make it bad for yourself because the way in the media and the bag of saga and the drama thing, you see me, certain people kind of lose after you and thing, you see me? So, it not look good. You see me, it not look good. And this supposed to teach you a lesson, say, yo, just structure your thing, blow out of the internet drama and them little thing. If you're going to be a mentor, you have to present yourself more and come out of the saga thing, you see me? So people can look up to you and, you see me, when them seeing a little back and forth on the internet cussing and, yeah, you see me, we know you come from a poor background and thing, yes. Most of the people them come from poor background, you see me? Because you see a thing in the video, one of the video them like you say, you was the poorest child where go to school and I say, John, sometimes people exaggerate things to make people sorry for them, but otherwise that's why you should have adjust the thing more because I don't know when last you do a school tour. Like it's a good while now. I know you always do a little foundation thing. You see me give back to the school and every little thing, student and back to school thing, I always give you and thing, but you have to just know for structure your thing when it comes to the music. Dropping that song so close to the time of the tour is like people are gonna say, I wish you had to try to promote the song or what. You understand? Because you shouldn't do a song, make it you have to start line up a tour. You shouldn't do that like without all of that thing that saga there. You see me? Because why not the video or the song? It don't really look good and some of the message in it, you understand? So you could have just structure your thing, Spice. You see it and all me I say, it's my opinion still. You have to just allow the drama and structure your thing. Make people say, yo, yeah man, she's the right person. Because everybody, you look away from you now if you say, yo, you start up a tour and them just cancel you. But are the things them leading up to this, what you do and what you're involved in? You understand? A couple people might lose interest and say, yo, she ain't my energy again, and my mentor. You see me? Because you don't know, things kind of rough on the female artists in Jamaica, You see me? Yeah, kind of rough. So, at this time, for hear all of this, you see me? well, when I see it, when I see the posters and thing, and I say, well, it's a good look, see what she can tell the student then, but when me a preach and me a look on the video and me I say no, Spice is an artist, so we know where broke out certain things, and you know, we know say like ladies are now, we know say ladies are back then usually do Ray, but you don't know she a minister now, so but at least she does stay the part there, and she not in the drama thing like that, like how Spice would in the drama thing back to back, so you see me? Yeah. So Spice just need for just adjust her thing and don't always use this controversial thing for both your thing, and you know, it can be bring a positive look and a negative look. Seem like when you bring up a little song named Tea Time and you call up somebody name and it create a one bag of drama, and it not really look good for you some of the time. You see me? Cause all of them things that will happen can lead up to this. You see me? It can lead up to this. Till when the church will look on you. Although you say oh, you're godly and thing and rare, but you're not really show it at a full effect still. You see me? So I just still saw the thing set Spice, you see me? You have to just come with a more effective personality message in your music and how you display it. You see me? Yeah man. Start out that and then maybe you can do it back in the future or whatsoever. You have to change certain things if you have got a route there. Because you can't want to go the route and then down the line be a broken out and all of them little things. Because the broken out thing will help you. You see me? And the little drama thing, but how long it take to hold you. You see me? So people like she and subscribe don't know, that my opinion on the take and thing, with Spice thing, You see me? She's a good artist, She do her thing, she dominate, queen of dancehall. Can't take that from her stage performance, everything up. You see me? Yeah man. So that's my opinion on the take, and you see me? Respect for support the channel and every little thing, you see me? Yeah man. Like, share and subscribe. Comment. Tell me your opinion on the situation. Yeah man, me see how you take on it and thing. Yeah. You don't know people. I hate this, I'm out.